welcome back to our channel. I'm Itza.
And I'm Gina. And we're the Tobar Girls.
And today we're going to be doing Drina's toenails.
Yay! Woo!
Okay, so stay tuned and watch how we do them. So these are Drina's toenails, and sadly she likes to cut them herself, so she leaves them looking all weird looking like that. So I'm just gonna file them down and then we'll get started. So I'm just gonna get my nail file and then shape her nails.
Kind of square them off, so she has to just...
Okay, since her nails are already the shape that we want them, now I'm just gonna go in with my file and I'm gonna buff out the shine so that we can start prepping for the gel. So once the nails are all buffed, you're gonna wanna get your gel application cleanser. Mine is old, it's just a bottle, and honestly I just refill it with alcohol because that's all that's in here. They just want to sell you the cleanser for more money, but you can just get rubbing alcohol and put it into your bottles and it works perfectly fine. So you get alcohol and you cleanse to take away all the dust and debris from the nails that you just buffed. So with a lint-free cotton swab, you just want to go on top of the nail after you put some of your cleanser, aka rubbing alcohol, onto the cotton swab. I use Kleenex because I don't have a lint-free cotton swab right now. So for Drina's gel pedicure, I will be using this Gelish mini kit that I got as a gift, and we're gonna go in with the pH bond. This is the mini Gelish pH bond. It's dehydrator, and you apply it before you start with the actual gel. So with the dehydrator, all you're gonna do is on each nail add a thin layer onto the whole nail bed, and this will help the gel adhere to the nail bed. And then we'll move on to the foundation. So this is the foundation. Let the dehydrator dry for like at least 20 seconds before moving on to the foundation. And the foundation is thick, so you want to apply a thin layer just so that it doesn't burn your client when you're doing them. Same thing, you're going to want to add a thin layer to the whole nail bed on each of the nails. Okay, as soon as you finish with the last nail from one foot, get your gel lamp and place the foot in the gel lamp. And let it cure. And then you can, while this one is curing, you can move on to the next one. And right here I got some on her hyponychium. So you're just going to want to remove that so it doesn't cause lifting once it cures. Don't judge my gel lamp, I know it's all dirty. This is just my backup gel lamp because my gel lamp that I originally used messed up, so I need to get a new one. So while this foot is curing, I'm going to go in with Bayberry from Kiara Sky, their jelly collection, and I'm going to do Drina's big toe. The same with all the others. You're just going to do a thin layer and cover the whole nail bed. Now I'm gonna go in with That's My Jam, and I'm gonna do her little toes. And That's My Jam is more of like a purple color. So now I'm going to put these to cure. So with That's My Jam, I'm gonna do that one onto her big toe. I'm going to get Bayberry and do her little toes. Okay, now you just repeat it and you carry this side. So back to this foot. Okay, so we're gonna do little smiley faces like I have on my nails and like Drina has on her nails. And for that, I'm going to clean off the tackiness, because if you've worked with gel, you know that it has a tacky layer. And so I'm gonna wipe it off. Just makes it easier on me to apply gel on top of that, so the nail art can stick a little better. So I'm gonna use this Lugo gel. I got it from Daily Charm, and this is this color. So you can get your nail daughter, but I don't have any nail daughters. I can't find them. I've lost them. So I'm gonna use this brush that I got in Mexico, but I'm gonna use the back of the nail brush like if it were a daughter. So I'm just gonna dab it into the pot of gel. And now I'm gonna get her toe and I'm gonna do round circles for the smiley face. So that's that, and now we're gonna put them into the lamp to cure. So I'm now going to use black to make the eyes and the mouth of the smiley face. And the same brush that I was using, I got this again, like I said, from Mexico. And now I'm going to use it to make the faces. Oh, it's so cute. So those are her smiley faces. And now we're gonna put the faces to care. Those smiley faces are done. And now we're just gonna put them to care as well. So also for the smiley faces, I used ASP gel polish in Black Beauty so that I can do the details and do their little faces. So now I'm gonna go in with the Gelish Mini Top It Off, the top coat, and I'm gonna apply a thin layer to all the toes now. So the same like with all the other coats, you just want to add a thin layer. And now you put them in the lamp to cure. And repeat on the other side. So once again with our handy dandy cleanser, aka rubbing alcohol, you just get another lint-free wipe or cotton swab and you take off all the tacky excess from every toe. Smiley toes. So now, last but definitely not least, I'm going in with the Gelish Mini Nourish, which is the cuticle oil, and this you just brush it on to the cuticles. And once it's brushed on, you want to rub it into the cuticles. She has smiley toes. You are ready to go show them off. This is a cute little fun design. So these are her matching toes and nails. Yay! So I just finished Drina's toes. Do you like them?
Yay.
They're so cute.
I like them.
And she's ready for summer. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Stay safe.
See you next time. Wear your masks.
Yay.